Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of More Mau, where I take you through my life, where I have to attend influencer events and just some snippets of life in general. I hope you guys enjoy, so let's begin.
Guys, we are stuck in mad traffic as usual. बारिश अभी चली गई है, but still we are stuck so bad. An event is almost like starting.
Yeah, सब पूछ रहे हैं कहाँ पे.
But ठीक है, हम लोग नहीं है सिर्फ. Maddie is also stuck in traffic. Alfia का मालूम नहीं है मुठी है कि नहीं. She's not responding on our group. So yeah, I will catch you guys once I reach. Hopefully on time.
Meanwhile,
हम आए और इवेंट खत्म हो गया है. We've got this huge parcel. I'm excited to try it. Now we have come for breakfast. I wanted to go to Saz, जो मैंने ईवी के बर्थडे में दिखाया था, but it's not open, so we are here. Nutcracker. इतना बड़ा बड़ा लेके हम वॉशरूम ढूंढ रहे हैं इतने बड़े मॉल में. हर फ्लोर पे वॉशरूम कैसे नहीं है? एग्जैक्टली. गाइस, आई मीन आशीष विला.
My PJs.
Finally, I'm a fan of your PJs. Love it. I'm gonna wear this. Guys, I didn't show you my outfit only. Like, हम इतना fast निकले. Show your outfit.
कोई तो देख ले.
Literally, I reached and the event got over. But anyways, we have got a huge package which we have to unbox. Yes, the packages are there. But Ashi has to shoot now, so I'm gonna keep quiet. Let her shoot and then done. I'm by myself. Ashi has some work, so she's gone for a while. She ordered momos for me, so I'm just gonna finish that and then I'm gonna just doze off. I think it's around 3 o'clock. The event is 7 p.m. onwards. Nobody comes on time, so we will start getting ready by 5ish. Should be ready by 7ish से, and 2 घंटा लगता नहीं है, but whatever. बात करते करते हो जाता है. हमने इतनी बातें की, I just forgot to vlog only. But anyways, फिर हम निकल जाएंगे 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock we should be there. That's it. What's the time?
यार 7 o'clock.
ठीक है, हाफ एन आवर में हो जाएगा. बाल करना है बट. I'm all set. This is my outfit, my hair. Ashi gave me these beautiful earrings and the bag also. But yeah, cute and simple. Ashi, show your outfit. Cutie.
a little later.
Hi guys, I hope you guys can see. मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से ये फ़ोन बैलेंस किया है, but I'm done. Sahil was very kind enough to pick me up. I'm just gonna change very quickly because I'm very uncomfortable in this dress. तो मैंने बस पजामे लाए थे, मैं अभी change कर रही हूँ. Then we'll eat something and go home. What is the time right?
It's 10:10.
Finally, my Maggie is here and Sahil has also ordered a Frankie. चलो खाना खाते हैं.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. I am not keeping well. I am extremely nauseous and I got my periods last night. So like immediately after I came back home, I figured it out only गाड़ी में जब हम मैगी खा रहे थे तभी मुझे लगा था कि my stomach's like the pain is not normal. But anyways, I'm grateful not for the pain but time पे आ रहे periods इसी के लिए इसलिए. Anyways, my nails situation is horrendous right now. I had done these stick-on nails because काफ़ी सारा product shoot था. I mean sponsored content, so your nails need to look presentable. So that's why I did this. But right now I removed it and Vyomi is coming to do my nails. I'm excited to get my nails done after so long because मैंने I think last month किया था. उसके बाद मैंने बेर छोड़ा था वापस. It was a whole situation. But yeah, if my energy is a little low today, please understand. But I'll be back with a lot of energy tomorrow for sure. Or maybe by tonight, I don't know. Evie is sleeping right here. Also, what is this hair situation, Mau? So yesterday जो शार्लेट का इवेंट था उसके लिए मैंने कर्ल किया था बाल एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वियर्ड ह्यूमिड रेनी सीजन माई हेयर इज जस्ट नॉट बिहेविंग. तो कर्ल्स आधे छूट गए हैं, आधे स्ट्रेट हैं, फ्रिजी हो गए हैं. इज जस्ट like I look like a lioness right now. Lioness nahi, proper lion with the mane. No, scratch that. I look like Hagrid right now. My face looks damn puffy before my period and during my period. And जैसे मेरे period खत्म हो जाते हैं, I'm like this back to chiseled face, not like a chiseled one like Hailey Bieber. Of course, she's gotten surgeries done. Like, can you see? It's looking so bloated, and I have had so many mangoes, and I don't regret it because मेरे खुद के farm के mangoes आते हैं. So of course I'm gonna have it. So this May season is just mango season for me. May and June, I eat so many mangoes. I love it. Comment. We are safe, Momosh. So as I was saying, May June is my mango season, so I look bloated and like that sugar, shows up on my skin. But अभी mango season खत्म हो चुका है. I'm gonna be back to like having a clean diet.
A few minutes later. Days later.
Don't mind the pasara behind because that's gonna be constant in my life and my studio or my house whenever. But I thought, why not unbox the huge PRs that I received. I'm so grateful for all the brands who send PRs, trust me. This is very heavy. So this new brand is called Akind, not sponsored by the way. Neither have I cracked any deal with Akind in the future also, at least at this point when I'm filming this. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to like give a shout out because they were generous enough to, give this. This is how it looks like. And you, okay, so there are 3 collections I'm guessing: Build, Balance and Defense. So let's see what is there in Balance. Why must you listen to your skin? There's a lot of things that is written over here. Build is for restoring skin barrier, Balance is for healthy lit from within glow, and Defense is for sun damage and stuff. Okay, so this is a cleanser, then this is a toner, and this is a serum. Then in Defense, let's see what do we have. There's a sun stick. There's a sunscreen primer, which I think is very like a unique idea, I feel. Then we have this radiance serum with kakadu plum and niacinamide. Build में क्या है? तो build में है cleanser once again, then lightweight moisturizer, and then sleep tight serum. I feel I can try the retinol one because of course I'm 27, and this light moisturizer. I think these 2 products are calling my name, and also the sun stick wala, sorry, sun primer, this thing. So yeah. Alright, the second event that we had was of Charlotte, my favorite brand, and we got this cute duffel bag. Oh my god, it has like Nykaa x Charlotte Tilbury written on it, जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारा कचरा भर के रखा है. Plum ने भी बहुत कुछ भेजा है. This is what I bought from Nykaa. Anyways, so let me just show you what all we have. They gave us a cup. Wow, look at this color, so pretty. I already have a lavender sipper which you guys must have seen a gazillion times, but good, you can never have a lot of sippers. If you know me, you know that I am a sipper hoarder because I don't drink water. So it's like a little kid. If I have like a new bottle, I will drink a lot of water. So that's a good news. Evie is not letting me unbox. Yes, take this, go. What? She's wagging her tail. French, seedha French. Then I have 3 products from Charlotte. First is their new launch. Let's just try it out, shall we? I have got the shade Pillow Talk Medium Deep. This is how the packaging looks like. Very luxe, totally Charlotte. And this tingles, and I am not a fan of plumpers and stuff, but let's see. No. This tingles. This instantly tingles. Let's see if it's gonna plump my lips. I don't like the feeling of lip plumpers, you guys. Then we have a Pillow Talk liner. I got another shade actually, but I traded it with another friend because she wanted it that darker shade. And this is the shade Pillow Talk Medium or just Pillow Talk? Just Pillow Talk. I didn't have this shade. It's a cute one. I like it. It's nice. Mauvey pink. But this is not that bad as lip injection from Too Faced. So yeah, that's good. Oh yes, we have the light wand. Mera kharab ho gaya tha because the applicator got spoiled. It's good. It's like a nice champagne color. I don't know if you guys can see. I've swatched it here. It's in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm gonna close this. So yeah, that was the haul. How is the lip plumper looking like? Are you guys liking it? I think it's cute. Abhi, ye sab ho gaya. But what to do about this? Like, this is the reality, you guys. We get so many products, but it's impossible for us to try everything. It's very difficult for us to find the space. Kitne giveaways bhi kitne kare matlab. But anyways, I'm gonna put a few products in giveaway of a kind ka brand, and few I'm gonna try for myself. Charlotte Tilbury ke sare products jo bhi mujhe chahiye, I feel all 3 of them I don't have, I don't own, I mean. So I will keep it back in the vanity. What do you want? Let me do the outro, mamash. Sara sent her merch. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I have fallen sick after the last clip, I guess. Evie scratching the sofa. Like immediately after my periods got over, my stomach got upset. And it's still upset. And मैं बस वॉशरूम के चक्कर काट रही हूँ पूरा दिन. मेरा शूट नहीं हो पा रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. It's been a mess, a hot mess. I am going to vlog after this as well because there's something really amazing happening by this month end. Stay tuned. I can't reveal much, but yeah, I'm excited and you guys are gonna go bonkers. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.